Good morning, student. Today is Friday, 21st August 2020, and you are welcome in class Physics of 10th PTV. We have already started the numerical problems of Unit 12, Geometrical Optics. Today, we are going to solve numerical number 12.5 and 12.7. 12.6 is not mentioned and we will not solve because according to the smart syllabus that numerical has been omitted. So I'm going to read the statement and you all please focus on your book. Question number 5. An image of statue appeared to be 11.5 centimeter behind a convex mirror. Two things: mirror is convex and also the image is being formed behind the mirror. Both the things, behind the mirror and convex mirror. For this reason, Q, the location, the distance of image formed will be taken as negative. Object is placed at 34.4 centimeter, almost it is 34.5, in front of the mirror. Find 13.5 centimeters. Find the distance from the statue to the mirror. Distance between the mirror and statue mean P we have to find out. Two things are given, Q and F are given. We have to find out the distance. The mirror formula 1 over P, 1 over F minus 1 over Q. This formula is rearranged into this form. After while we put the values, just simplifying them, 1 over 13.5, 0.013 and 1 over 11.5, 1 over 13.5, it become 0.074 and this become 0.87. After subtraction and simplifying, we get 0.013. It means 13.100. Invert 1 over P because we have to find the value of P. So while we invert 13.1000, it will become 1000 over 13, and after simplifying we get 76.92, that is almost equal to 77 centimeters. Now we will solve the next problem, that is 12.7. Again, look at the book please. It's page 70 and its problem is 12.7. Nabila uses concave mirror. For this mirror, we take all the things as positive with plus sign. When applying makeup, the mirror has a radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is being represented by the capital R, and the focal length is equal to radius of curvature divided by 2, half of the radius of curvature. 38 divided by 2 is equal to 19. So our focal length is 90. What is the focal length of the mirror? This was the part A. Part A, we have find out that focal length is 19 centimeters. Second, Nabila is located 50 centimeters from the mirror. the distance between the mirror and the object mean P. P is 50. Where will be her image appeared? Location of image Q. So it is very simply, we have a lot of practice now. Many numerical problems we have already solved. So middle formula 1 over P is equal to 1 over P plus 1 over Q. This was our mirror formula, and by rearranging, because we have to find out the value of Q, it will come 1 over F minus 1 over P. By placing the values and LCM, simplifying, we get 31 over 950. 1 over Q is equal to 31 over 950, and we have to find the value of Q. We will invert 1 over Q, it will become Q over 1, and after inverting this right side, 950 divided by 31. The value of the Q, after simplifying, we get 30.64 centimeter. And the C part that we have to answer, that it will be upright or inverted, as image will be real. Therefore, a real image is always concave mirror. You can write here concave mirror. Therefore, image will be inverted and real. Although he asked only that upright or inverted, you have to write only the inverted. But we know that inverted image is always a real image. Therefore, we will write along with the inverted, we will write that image will be inverted and real. Thank you and God bless you. Tomorrow we will have one more numerical on Monday, because on Saturday and Sunday we have the off, and on Monday rest of the numerical we will solve. Thank you and God bless you. Have a very wonderful day.